Hi, this is Dave from the Big Easy Catering Company in Santa Barbara, California for ExpertVillage.com, and today we're putting together and assembling the chocolate fountain for your parties and friends. Now we're getting to the point where we're going to assemble what they call a double boiler, and what you want to do, this is to melt the chocolate slowly over indirect heat so it doesn't burn. It's a much nicer way of doing this, and you don't have to worry about burning it. So basically what we have is you can get any type of large pan like this. Some people actually have a double boiler. It's kind of old-fashioned, but they have one. But you can assemble your own. So you use a saucepan of any type, a little bit larger, and then you want to have a vessel like this that's going to go over the top of it, like this. And so what we'll do is we put the water in to the lower vessel. Then we have the pan that's going to go on top. Now, it doesn't have to fit directly. If you just have a bowl, you may have seen Emeril on TV doing something like this for hollandaise sauce. And then you turn on your heat. I suggest high, at least to get the water boiling. You want to get it to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer.